The building industry is kind of quirky. You know, it's a lot of tradition, a lot of proven methods have been handed down for generations. And all us contractors are pretty stubborn. We don't like to change. And it took me, frankly, about 15 years of researching ICF before I finally felt comfortable enough that I was going to put myself out on a limb and represent it to my clients. And since I have and gone through it on several projects now, I don't hesitate. It's fantastic. This project was brought to us by the owner. They brought a design to us that had a lot of challenges meeting the structural needs of the materials that we were planning to use, which was stick-built. The original design had 6 steel columns in the middle of the living room right here. That was one of the benefits of ICF, is that we were able to, because of what you can do creatively with concrete that you can't do with wood, we were able to get rid of those columns and open up the space. And so in addition to those kind of creative design features, it also enabled us to go with a concrete deck system, which is called a rigid diaphragm. With a rigid diaphragm, you only need 3 of the 4 sides of the box, so to speak, to have lateral analysis or shear. So the whole ocean view side of the home is completely open. Some of the other benefits of switching to ICF, one is it's fireproof. It's also bulletproof. Nothing can happen to this building. We're not going to have any insect infestation. If there's ever a major earthquake, this house will be here when the rest of the homes are on the ground or in the ocean. It also enables us to be able to do a completely different energy design for the whole building envelope. The thermal mass of all that concrete in the wall stabilizes the temperature and makes it to where the air conditioning equipment doesn't have to work as hard. We were able to go with radiant heating, which is a huge advantage. It's 40% more efficient. It's much more comfortable. When it comes to looking at all the different ICF companies, insulated concrete form companies out there, when I put them all side by side, it came down to Nudura really came out ahead of all the others for a few reasons. The benefit of having material that's longer, taller, so there's fewer pieces to handle. The benefit of it being collapsible, so you're not shipping air, which is very expensive. The fact that it's very easy to store on site, stored in a space that's 1/4 the size of other companies. That makes Nudura just stand head and shoulders above the other brands and the other systems. And so when you combine the benefits of Nudura with the benefits of ICF, it really is a no-brainer, especially for a technical project like this one. And it gives people a home they can feel confident in. They know it's not going to rot, it's not going to mildew or mold. It's a permanent structure that will be here for 1,000 years. This home will be here as long as homes you see still standing in England. This home will be here for that many years.